Do you want to learn how to use Hailuo AI by Minimax? It's an AI video generator. It also has the chat feature inside it, and lately it also came out with the audio feature, so you can clone your voice for free inside it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use each of these features and help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to this page. And then you have got these options here, which is video, chat, and audio. We're going to look at each of them one by one. First, we're going to look at video, and these over here are all the videos that are generated by the community members. Now to create it, click on create on the left. The first one is image to video, and the second one is text to video. You need to put a prompt here and then select the model. They currently have just one for text to video. You can choose the quantity here. It can be up to 2. For one quantity, it's going to take in 30 credits. Currently, I have 40 credits. I've generated these videos here on the right. This one was image to video. In image to video, you can put an image over here and you can put a prompt below. Choose a model. These are the 2 models available. The second one is the new model. It says new. It's useful for live characters, smooth, vivid, and perfect for 2D illustrations. So you can choose either one of them, doesn't matter. But I've selected this second one for this video. Now let's go for text to video and enter a prompt here. I went to ChatGPT and asked it to generate me random AI video prompts for random topics. And it gave me these topics. And then I asked it to write me prompt for each. So it wrote me detailed prompt for each of these. So all I did was took the first one here, copied it, went over to Hailuo, and in text to video, I pasted it over here like this. Now click on here. It's going to take in 30 credits and generate a video. And this was the generated video. Take a look. Now, if you want to download this to your computer, you can right click here and download it from here. Share it, favorite it, or delete it. You can also report this video if you do not like it. Now on the right, on the button, you can click on recreate to recreate this video. It's going to take in the credits again. There is download button. There's a save bookmark option, and there are these 3 dots, which is going to open up this. You can share, report, and delete. You can also copy the prompt from here. And on the extreme right, these are your generated videos, your history of generated videos. I can move through them. Like this one was the one I generated before. This one as well. It's an animated scene. This third one is image to video. I just put my face in it, this original image, and I just made an animated version of it. Now let's go back by clicking on this button and switch to image to video. Now inside this, I added this image. You will ask me that Hailuo currently don't have any image generation tool inside it. So how did you generate this? I've generated this using Kling AI, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So I just went to ChatGPT and I found this in entertainment and pop culture. This is the prompt. I copied this from here, and then I went to Kling AI, and inside here I clicked on here which says AI images. Click on it, and then in the prompt just paste that prompt here, make it 16:9, and did a 3 generation count. Now just click on this generate button. It's going to take in like 0.60 credits, which is quite low compared to other AI image generators. And these are the 3 images that it created. This one was the one that I like, so I just downloaded it from here, went over to Hailuo, and inserted it over here. I also put the same prompt below for the video, chose this other model, and generated it. It takes in 30 credits again. And this was the video that it generated. Okay, that looks really good. Like you can see here, there are details like it's speaking and it's moving its head and such. Now, if you want to download it, make sure to right click and download it from here. Now let's go back to Explore and let's click on Chat next. And this is something new that they came out with in Hailuo AI. You can chat just like what you do on ChatGPT or Cloud. You can do so here. I've tried it with some prompts and I do not like it that much compared to using ChatGPT. For example, I asked it to search the web and find me latest news for United States. And it has given me this. This is not searching the web. I can confirm that. This is not searching the web. This is just saying some random things. It does say that it's of as of December 25th, 2024, but I can see that there is no citations, nothing inside it. And if I look over to the fourth option, which says climate change initiatives, it says President Biden. How can that be? Because right now, currently in US, there's Donald Trump. So as of December 25th, this is wrong. Now on the bottom, you get these options. You can retry it, you can share it, and can give it a feedback that it's not good. And there's also a delete option if you want to delete this chat. Now in the chat history, I selected the second chat I did with this tool, and I asked it to generate me a picture of mountain lion in space. I was just checking if Hailuo AI can actually generate an image or not, just like you do on Gemini or Chat GPT. So here you can see that it's not able to do it currently, and it gives you all this over here. It also gives you an example prompt for AI art generator, which is good. But I was thinking that as all the other AI tools like Chat GPT or Cloud or even Gemini is able to generate images, why not Hailuo AI can do the same? Then I thought, I also asked it to generate me a video because Hailuo AI is able to generate videos. So I thought that maybe they have integrated that feature inside this chat feature. So I can like chat with it and generate stuff and such. But no, that's not the case here. I asked it to generate me a video and it just said that these are the steps to generate a video. It gave me some other tools for animation software, do this and such. I was thinking I will ask it here and it's going to generate me a video. That is not possible. So yes, that's the case with Hailuo AI at the moment with the chat feature. Now let's go for audio next. Now in audio, you can compare this with 11 Labs. They're trying to compete with it. So let's see how it is. So this is speech synthesis. So you can create lifelike speech in multiple languages, voices, and emotions with Hailuo AI. You just start typing here, the script, and you can insert this code here to add a 0.5 seconds pause between sentences. Adjust the duration as needed. So you can make it once 1 here or 1.0, 2.0 and such. Now there's also voice selection on the bottom. Let's take a listen to this.
Hello, stranger. I saw you quiet and full of beauty.
There's also switch voice on the right. So you can switch the voice. These are all the voices that they currently have on Hailuo AI. You can use them by clicking on these buttons, or you can also save them. There's language here. So these are the languages. There's accent. So you can go for an Indian accent or England or US. There's gender, there's age. And on the right, this is something which is really cool. You can do my voices as well. So once that you save here, it's going to appear on this side. Now on the right of this, we have settings and history. So the generations that you do using this is going to appear over here in history, your old generations. In settings, you can go for language. So I'll select English, emotion, make it happy, speed, set the speed and such, make it higher or slower, make it faster or slower. Pitch, you can increase the pitch or decrease the pitch. There's modifier, so you can deepen the voice, lighten it and such, nasal, crisp, etc. Which is really good because I don't think this is available in other AI speech tools. Spacious echo, there's also that, auditorium echo, lo-fi telephone, there's robotic, and this is generate speech here. Now, let's take this prompt over here and I'm just going to paste it here. And what I'm going to do is try that code as well. So after Cinderella, I'm going to paste it here, 0.5. After robotic here, I'm going to make a space and paste it as well. But this time I'm going to make it 1.5 seconds. Now let's take a look at it. So I'm going to generate speech.
Generate surreal reinterpretations of classic fairy tales like Cinderella or Sleeping Beauty with AI-inspired elements like robotic, princes, glowing forests, and digital castles. Blend whimsical and futuristic styles.
Okay, that was good. Now, one thing that I like about this audio feature inside Hailuo AI is that you can also clone your own voices. Yes, you heard that right. You can clone your own voices. They have these voice slots. So I currently have 3 voice slots remaining. And to compare this to, for example, in video AI, they also have this clone feature, but you need to pay for it. So inside Hailuo, you do not have to pay for it. I can clone my voice in the free plan. I can just name the voice. For example, I'm just going to say name your voice. I'm going to type in solve base and record my audio. You can also drop a file here. If you have audio files of your own speech, you can drop it. I'm going to record the audio from here. You also have an option to remove background noise from audio samples. If your audio samples have background noise in it, you can remove it with the help of AI. So next, what we're going to do is record my own audio here. Click on allow this time. You can see that it's working over here as this microphone's speech is working. Now click again and it has started. So I'm going to speak this script. Visualize futuristic farming methods, show visual data, streams, coding layers, and occasional thoughts it might have as it interacts. So now our recording has been uploaded onto Hailuo AI servers, and I'm going to select the language, which is English, and I hereby confirm that the voice does not infringe on others' rights. Click on it and convert. Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together. Okay, now my voice has been cloned, and you can do like two more slots are available. So I'm going to go to library, actually text to speech, and I'm going to choose my own voice. So switch type and my voices, and I've got this voice here. I'm going to use it. Now let's take a listen to this. I'm going to use emotion as auto and generate speech. Generate surreal reinterpretations of classic fairy tales like Cinderella or Sleeping Beauty with AI inspired elements like robotic princes, glowing forests, and digital castles. Blend whimsical and futuristic styles. Okay, I'm not sure if it sounds like me or what, but yeah, it looks fine. And you can do so same by going over to Hailuo AI and going to voices and creating your voice clones here. If you want to delete any of your voice clones, you can just click here and delete them. So yeah, that's it. This is how to use Hailuo AI, the new features inside it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know with a like and comment.